Today I'm going to be giving you guys some tips on how to get rid of beard flyaways. One of the biggest issues with having a beard is dealing with just crazy beard hair. Some parts grow out faster than other parts, some parts grow out crazier, sometimes you have different beard textures to deal with. And today I want to get rid of all these crazy hairs that are sticking out everywhere, ruining my beard shape with some quick and easy products I'm going to give you guys today. So let's get into it. Now, assuming you guys have trimmed your beard already to about where you want it to be, and you're just needing something to control these beard hairs, I've got you covered. We're going to talk about two methods today to control these crazy beard hairs. Both are going to work for just about any beard size out there, but the products you use are going to differ. First one we're going to talk about is beard balm. Now, beard balm is kind of a do-it-all product. It mixes the hydration that you get from beard oil with the styling benefits and hold of butters and waxes. Beard balm is something that you probably want to use if you're trying to do both things. Maybe you don't need a whole lot of control or some really precise styling, and you just really need something to flatten the crazy hair that's going on all over the place. Then beard balm is going to be your best friend. You can see the consistency here. Just scrape out a little bit on your finger, rub it through your palms, brush it down through your beard so you can flatten all those hairs and get all those hairs in the right direction. And that's pretty much it. Beard balm is very set and forget. You can do it anywhere, anytime. It's one product you can take anywhere with you, traveling, whatever. Now, the next method we're going to talk about is actually beard oil and beard mustache wax combined. You're going to end up using both of these products because you want the hydration and the softness that comes with oil that helps your beard hair get controlled in the first place, because wiry, dry beard hair is almost uncontrollable, so you need something to soften it first. So when you're doing this, the key is to wait about 5 to 10 minutes after applying beard oil before you put in the beard mustache wax. That's because your beard hair needs time to soak in the oil and keep it off the surface of the hair when you apply the wax, otherwise the wax is not going to adhere properly. So for most beards out there, if you've got a shorter to medium length beard, then you're probably looking at 3 to 5 drops of beard oil. If you got a really long beard, then maybe you're looking at closer to 7 drops of beard oil. Just rub it through your hands, warm it up a little bit, wipe it throughout your beard, massage your beard a little bit, and then use something like the Volt Octo brush, which has natural boar bristles that'll help you spread the oils throughout your beard, as well as exfoliate underneath your beard. Now wait 5 to 10 minutes to let your beard hair really soak that in. You'll be able to tell when your beard gets softer, and then grab your beard mustache wax. Scrape out maybe a pea-sized portion of this, depending on what kind of style you're going for. For me, I just need something to help keep these flyaways down, but if you wanted to do something like a handlebar mustache or some crazy design, that's up to you. Scrape out some wax, roll it around your fingers, melt it down a little bit before applying it to your beard in the direction you want your beard to stay. Remember, this stuff is very strong. It's going to hold pretty much anything where you put it and leave it. So after that method, you can see now in my beard just how much more organized it looks, just how much more professional and sharp it looks as well. If you guys are interested in these Volt products, we'll have a link in the description. You can go in there and explore and learn more about them, and maybe grab some of your own as well. They work great for keeping your beard in check, making sure everything is sharp, looking good. So go check them out on Grooming.com. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more about the process of keeping your beard sharp and looking good with some of these products. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.